Hey guys, you remember I uploaded a video yesterday on how you can earn money online using this website. So today I want to show you a withdrawal proof on how you can withdraw. One of my follower commented and he said, how can we withdraw? Yes, but in this video today I'll show you how you can withdraw on this website. And then if you haven't registered, go to the comments on this video which I will drop. Though Facebook deleted that particular video that I uploaded yesterday on how you can earn money online, so I will re-upload the video this evening, or after uploading this video I will re-upload the video on how you can earn money, in fact every day. Yes, if you are active on this website you can earn money online. So today I'll show you how you can withdraw using this particular trick. So guys, in order to withdraw, let's quickly click on the me icon here down below. So we click on it. So this is the balance I have, though I've withdrawn some already. So I decided to make this video because I don't want to bring fake things on my page on my YouTube channel. I always want to bring real things, legit things. If it is not real, I will not bring it. And even if I upload a video and later on I realize that it is not real, I will come back and then I will make a post and I'll apologize. So let's click on the withdraw icon here. Let's click on the withdraw. So wait for it to load. So guys, as you can see, I already have some amount on my phone. So for instance, this is the amount I have, and then I will click on submit. So I'll first of all withdraw 1,000. So here I'll click on submit. In the other video that I made, I showed you how you can add your account balance. So application sent. After the platform review is completed, the money will be transferred to the bank card. This process is expected to take 74 hours, but it doesn't take up to 74 hours. Yes, it doesn't take up to 74 hours actually, because I've done it before and I've seen the result. So guys, this is how you can withdraw on this particular platform. Okay guys, I just received the alert right now, not less than 2 minutes. I just received the alert. So guys, as you can see from the screen, I just received the 1,000. You Gifty Tech Limited, I just received my 1,000 naira and it has dropped in my account. You can see it. This is the withdrawal proof. So guys, I will upload the video and then I'll show you how you can register, and then you can start earning also. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next updates. Bye bye.